Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will be vlogging. By the way guys, this is my second day off. Kahapon, sa aking first day off, hindi ako nakapag-vlog kasi galing akong night duty. So yun guys. And by the way, it's around 4 PM na. Late na ako nakapag-start ng aking vlog kasi kanina naging busy ako sa laundry and medyo naglinis-linis din ako konti. So yun guys, wala masyadong ganap. But anyways, I decided to vlog the rest of the day. And I'm planning to cook sinigang na bangus. Kasi kahapon pa ako nag-crave ng sinigang na bangus. Yung sabaw na maasim-asim. And yung mga ingredients na bili ko na yun guys, I will vlog while I'm cooking sinigang. And kung ano man yung ma-vlog ko later, depende na lang guys. Or maybe mag-vlog pa rin ako tomorrow, maybe. Depende na lang talaga kung ano yung ma-vlog ko. So yun lang guys. See you later.
1 hour later.
So guys, here's the ingredients para sa ating sinigang na bangus. So punta na tayo sa dirty kitchen para lutuin yung ating sinigang na bangus.
Hey guys, I'm back and sorry kung hindi na ako nakapag-film kanina nung kumakain ako. But anyways, it's already 11 PM and I'm about to go to sleep. But I decided to end this video by sharing with you yung aking night skincare routine. For the facial wash, I am currently using yung Pond's facial wash na charcoal variant. Previously, ginagamit ko is yung sa Lux Organics na facial wash pero hindi ko siya makita sa Watsons. So, I decided to switch back to Pond's na facial wash, charcoal variant. Kasi, hiyang din ako sa facial wash na yon. And for my toner, guys, I am currently using this fresh Skinlab na tomato glass skin. By the way, guys, previously, I've been using yung kanilang beauty water. Actually, nakadalawang bottles ako sa toner na yon. And I decided to switch to this tomato glass skin line kasi maraming nagre-rave din ng mga beauty vloggers sa toner na to. And bumili rin ako ng kanilang Waterdrop na cream and ginagamit ko sila pareho guys. So, yun guys. And kumukuha lang ako ng cotton pinapahid ko lang siya. Anyways, yung iba, nagawa nila sa mga toner na ganito is yung nilalagay nila sa palm and then tinatap nila sa kanilang skin. Pero mas prefer ko kasi yung ganitong way ng paggamit ng toner. Yun na kasi yung nakagawian ko. Pati yung leeg ko, nilalagyan ko rin ng toner. Guys, after I tone my face, I proceed with this Waterdrop cream nila. This has SPF 30, so pwede nyo rin siyang gamitin during daytime. I use this both day and night. By the way, this Waterdrop cream claims na dye-free siya, alcohol-free, paraben-free, and benzophenone-free daw siya. So, after I tone my face, kumukuha lang ako ng konti nito cream, and then na-apply ko lang siya evenly sa aking face. Minamassage ko rin konti yung aking face para iwas wrinkles. Char. And then, after I use that cream, napuproceed naman ako dito sa Multi-Function Formula Snail Repair Eye Cream. Actually, paubos na siya, guys. Paubos na siya. Ginagawa ko is kumukuha ako ng konting amount ng snail cream and nilalagay ko lang siya dito sa aking under eyes. By the way, guys, kailangan gentle tayo sa area na yan kasi napaka-sensitive ng area na yan. So, ginagawa ko is ina-apply ko lang siya on a circular motion. By the way, this eye cream, nabili ko siya sa Shopee. Nakalimutan ko lang kung anong pangalan ng seller na yon sa Shopee. But if makita ko man siya, ipa-flash ko lang sa screen, guys, para may idea kayo kung saan kayo pwede makabili nitong eye cream na to. And so far, na-maintain ng eye cream na to na maging well-hydrated yung aking under eyes. So far, hindi masyadong fluffy yung under eye ko every time I use this one. So that's basically it, guys. I hope nagustuhan nyo yung aking night skincare routine. Super simple lang and wala masyadong mga keme-keme. 3 product lang talaga yung ginagamit ko every night. And I hope na na-enjoy nyo pa rin yung aking vlog for today. Sorry if medyo boring kasi wala masyadong ganap. But I will try my best to upload interesting vlogs in the next days if meron lang talagang time, guys. Yun na, guys. Stay safe, everyone, and see you on my next video. Bye!